Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have candle empties to share. We're going to just jump right in. I'm going to start with the wax melts. I have quite a few items built up here. From Sensationals, I have Secret Garden, which is one of those mixable fragrances. I don't even know, I haven't bought waxes in so long because I have a drawer full. I don't know that they even make these anymore. I'm not entirely sure, but Rainy Day and Petal Showers. And this is a fresh scent mixed with a floral scent. And this smelled fantastic. It was really strong. Highly recommend either scent if you find them separately. This was really nice. Better Homes and Gardens Vanilla Cookie Crunch. Basic vanilla scent, but amazing. I love vanilla scents. This was fantastic. I will definitely repurchase this again. Better Homes and Gardens, the Farm Apple and Pumpkin. This is fall in a wax cube. It definitely could smell the apple. The pumpkin was a little bit more subtle, but this was fantastic. I absolutely loved this one. I used this one up fairly quickly because of how much I really loved it. Yes, a fall wax cube. That's the best way I can describe this. It was amazing. Candles. Yankee Candle and Sparkling Cinnamon. My mom gave me this because she couldn't get it to burn right. Eventually I did somewhat get it to burn all the way down to its last leg on its wick. It did a little, that's okay. There is quite a bit of wax left in there. I do think that this smelled really nicely, strong, and filled the house, so it had a decent throw. The prices on these Yankee candles, it's just too expensive, you know, for something you're just going to burn up. I did enjoy that cinnamon scent. Thank you, Mom. I have the Perfect Harvest Maple Belgian Waffles scented candle. This was a $3 candle at the Dollar General. I do think these are cute and would make great gifts. However, this particular one, it burnt really nicely, as you can see. But the scent didn't fill no more than like my small kitchen. Typically, out of like even the cheapest DollarTree or Dollar General candles, I will get at least the kitchen and the dining room. With the bigger candles, like the Yankee Candle, filled the whole house. This, there was barely a scent there. So disappointed. It smells amazing, but it did not fill the house with scent like I was hoping, and I was a bit disappointed in this $3 candle. So I won't be purchasing that one again. Interiors is the brand there. Cake Batter Scented Candle. This was a birthday gift this year, and this is a 17-ounce candle, and because it was a birthday gift, I'm not entirely sure where this came from, not entirely sure how much this costed or anything like that, but this was so good. If you like vanilla scents, you would probably really love this one. It's a nice sweet bakery scent, of course, cake batter. This smelled so nice. It burned fantastic. Like literally, I got to burn every bit of that candle. It's gone. It smells so good. Definitely, if you see the scent cake batter somewhere and you like vanilla, you're probably going to love it. Definitely recommend that one. That was so good. Last candle I have is the Great Value Coastal Coconut. This is a limited edition candle. You can find these in like the air freshener kind of aisle near like the laundry detergents and stuff. This was a $5 candle. These are kind of like Bath and Body Works style dupe candles, as you can already tell from how it looks. This one burnt fantastic. At first, it took me a little time to burn this one down because I just didn't want it to end. I really love coconut scents as well, and this was a really nice coconut scented candle, and it did fill the kitchen, dining room, and living room with scent. It was really nice, and it is a softer scent, but I definitely recommend this one because it was just really nice. burnt really nicely. Like, I usually don't have a ton of issues with these candles. So sometimes I will, but most of the time I don't. And they usually have pretty decent scents. And I'm not angry at $5 for this Bath & Body look-alike candle, you know? And that is the last candle I had to share with you today. I hope you enjoyed the mini reviews, found them helpful. Maybe you will try out some of these scented products for yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links. Stay tuned for more videos like these.